Hey everyone, today we're talking about something significant. You might have heard the words toxic masculinity online or at school, but what does that mean and why should we care? So let's break it down. So, what is toxic masculinity? It's when people believe that being a real man means acting tough all the time, not showing emotions, always trying to be in control and treating others like they're just less than you, especially girls or people who are different. It's that idea that crying is weak, being kind is soft, and that power means putting others down. But here's the truth, that's not strength. That's not healthy, and it could be damaging to others and especially yourself. Now let's talk about the internet. There are people online like Andrew Tate who post videos that seem confident, rich or calm, but often they're spreading toxic ideas about how boys and men should act. They say things like, don't show weakness, control women, only money and power matter. And here's the problem, that kind of content affects how young people see themselves and treat others, especially if you're still figuring out who you are. Some of these influencers make harmful ideas look exciting or normal. They often twist messages to sound like advice, but it's about control, anger, and putting others down. So why does this matter? If we believe that being a man means hiding our feelings, always being aggressive, and mistreating others, we end up hurting ourselves, our friendships, and our future relationships. Boys, girls, and everyone should feel free to be themselves, to be kind, to be respectful, to show emotion. That's not weak, that's strong, that's brave. So what can you do? Think critically about what you watch online. Ask yourself, is this respectful? Is this kind? Would I want someone to say that to me or someone I care about? You can always talk to a trusted adult if you see something online that doesn't feel right. Most importantly, be kind to others and yourself. You don't need to follow someone because they're famous or loud. Real leaders lift people, not bring them down. So I leave you with this final thought. Let's create a world where boys can be strong and sensitive, where no one has to pretend to be someone they're not, and where respect is incredible, because it is. Thanks for listening, and remember, you are enough just as you are. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.